Cantors, also in Hebrew known as chazan, comes from the root word chazon, which means to be a visionary. Interesting, huh? You don't inspire people with something they don't understand. You find a way. Music is the window to their soul, the window to them understanding, and that's one of the reasons that I am here in Rome doing this celebration of 25 years of relationship between the Holy See and the State of Israel. Music is a fantastic way for diplomacy. If I can open your heart up through music, I can probably make some dent in whatever prejudices or preconceived ideas we have about each other, and we might make progress towards a better world.
Christianity has Jewish roots, and there is an intense relationship between the Jewish roots and Christianity nowadays. I'm organizing a dialogue with the Chief Rabbinate of Israel, and we are meeting once a year. And this has an influence also on political questions or diplomatic questions. It creates a certain positive atmosphere.
So I hope this leads, again, to more and more dialogue, to more and more celebrations of relationships which can be considered productive and good. And if they bring about more good, then when I finish singing this evening at Psalm 122, is I pray for your goodness. I pray for your good, which means can be taken, I pray for you to be good. I pray for your goodness, for that your goodness will come out in you, that God created in you, and that I pray for the goodness of the world.